Now we have an SBR for Monmouth County, dude. Oh, he's from Middlesex too?
New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Monmouth County, east central Middlesex County, until 3:45 p.m.
I hear thunder. Oh my
At
goodness.
3:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sayreville or near Perth Amboy, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Long Branch, Sandy Hook, Middletown, Old Bridge, Sayreville, Red Bank, Kingsburg, Inland Sussex, and Kent. The Vesic, lowest floor of a building. Is exposed. Oceanport, Madison Park, Strathmore, and North Middletown. For your protection, you will material on the lowest floor of the building.